Hi, this is S. Prashant from Computer Science Engineering Department of second year. Today I am going to do a second experiment in programming in Java. Let's see the question now. This is the question. In that I am going to do two questions. Develop a program to find the second largest element in an array, and the another program is develop a program in Java to find the matrix multiplication. Now let's see the program. Now I have done the program here. First I have done the package. Using package I have saved the name as p12 and import.java.util.scanner is a scanner class, which is a package name I had given here, and I have used a public class p24, and I have used a statement called public static void main string argument. It's nothing but a function. I have taken an integer of variable k, and here I have used a scanner class, that is scanner sc is equal to new scanner of system.in, and I am going to print the value, giving the print the value by using the statement called system.out.println, and I am telling the user to enter the size of the array, and k is equal to scanner, that is sc.new. Using the scanner class I am telling to type, and int array of is equal to new int, and again I am telling the user to print by using the statement system.out.println, that is enter the elements in the array, and hence I am using the for loop to initialize the integer value, that is the int I is equal to 0, where I is less than the array length, and hence I will be increment, that is I plus plus, and array of I is equal to scanner dot, that is sc dot next int of, and integer of largest, that is int largest is equal to array of 0, and int second largest also array of 0, and hence I am telling the input to print the given array of the value is, and for int I, by using a for loop, for int I is equal to 0 and I less than array dot length, and here also I will be incremented, and by using the statement system.out.print I am telling to write an array of I is backslash t, that is to give some tab space, and by using again for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length, whence I will be incremented, and if array of I is greater than the largest, then the second largest will be equal to the largest, and largest will be assumed initialized to array of I, and if else if array of I is greater than the second largest, now second largest will be array of I, and finally I am telling the input to print the system.out.println the second largest element is addition of second largest element. Now I am going to run this program. Now I am going to show the output. Enter the size of the array. I am giving us 5. Enter the elements in the array. I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second last number is 4. Next I am going to do a next program, that is the matrix multiplication. Here I am using a package p12 and import java.util.scanner as a JVM Java virtual machine of package import.java.util.scanner I had given, and here I have used public class as p215 as a public class name, and public static void main is an argument I had given in a public class in the main function, and int n is a variable, and scanner input here I had given a scanner class, that is scanner input is equal to new scanner of system.in and system.out.println. I given the user to print the statement as enter the base of a squared matrix, and n is equal to input.next of n, and I am giving an object argument of object, that is int matrix of matrix A is equal to new int of n into n. Similarly B is equal to new int of n into n, and similarly C is equal to new int n into n. System.out.println, I am telling the user to print to state the value as enter the elements of first matrix row wise. That by using a for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and for int j is equal to 0, j less than n and j plus plus, and a of I or j is equal to input dot next int of, that is we have to multiply the value, and by using the system.out.println statement enter the elements of second matrix of row wise. Similarly here also I have used a for loop, and finally I have to multiply the matrices by using the system.out.println statement, and for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I will be incremented, and similarly by using for loop int j is equal to 0 and j less than n, and j will be incremented. For int k is equal to k less than n and k plus plus, and c of I of j is equal to c of I j plus a of I k, and b of k j is equal to b of k into j, and system.out.println, and hence the product is denoted by using a for loop int I is equal to 0, I less than n, and here I will be incremented. Let's check the output. Now I'm going to show the output. Let's check the output. Yeah, it's running. Enter this base of squared matrix, that is Q, and enter the first matrix row wise is 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter the second matrix is 1, 0 and 0, 1. I had given. Yeah, the required output we have got. Thank you.